Hi everyone, I am Moganathanari. Welcome to Statistics Bios of an YouTube channel. If you like our channel videos, please click the subscription button and support to me. Please join the channel membership. Let's go to today video. How to calculate a beta diversity in past statistical software. The data already entered the Excel sheet. We take the 40 site and 25 species. This is 25 species. The data copy paste to the past statistical software. Select the whole the data, copy, go to the past statistical software. Okay, first click the column attributed checkbox and row attributed checkbox. Then select the column. Then click the paste icon button. Okay, the paste the data. Then unclick the column attributes and row attributes. Okay, then select the whole the data. Click the select all the buttons. Go to the diversity menu and click the beta diversity. Open the new tab for the beta diversity calculation, the past statistical software. The first one for the test for the Whittaker. The Whittaker range for the 0.25156. The Whittaker pairwise comparison for the click the sub menu. The pairwise comparison the Whittaker. The 25 species comparison for the 25 species. The species 1 comparison to the species 2 0.14754. Then species 1 comparison with species 10 0.24138. Then species 5 comparison for the species 13 0.1875. The next one test for the Harrison. The Harrison test value for the 0.010482. The pairwise comparison for the Harrisons. Click the menu. The change the Harrisons. The same for the Whittaker test and Harrisons. The next one test for the Cody. The Cody value for 111.5. The Cody the comparison for the pairwise comparison. Change the Cody test. The Cody pairwise comparison for the species 1 comparison for the species 2 4.5. Then species 1 comparison for the species 10 7. Then species 2 comparison for the species 10 the 7.5. Then species 5 comparison for the species 15 the 9. The next one test for the red ledge. The red ledge value for 0.086 333. The red ledge pairwise comparison for the test. The change the red ledge. Okay, change the comparison for the species 1 species 2 0.44356. Then species 1 comparison for the species 4 0.054226. And species 1 the comparison for the species 10 0.072404. This is test for the red ledge. The next one test for the beta diversity. The wilson-shmida. The wilson-shmida that range for the test value 3.4887. The Williams-shmida. The Williams-shmida, the pairwise comparisons for the test. The change for the wilson-shmida. The change the value for comparison the species 1 to species 2 0.14754. The species 1 comparison for the species 10 0.24138. Then species 1 comparison for the species 15 0.2069. The next one test for the in beta diversity the Morley. Moral. Then moral the value for the 0.14536. The moral the pairwise comparison. The click the pairwise comparison test the moral. The change the moral menu. This is moral for the species comparison the beta diversity. The next one test for the beta diversity the Harrison 2. The Harrison 2 the value 0.0010684. This is a Harrison 2. The Harrison comparison for the Harrison 2. They click the Harrison comparison. Change the Harrison 2. This is a Harrison test for 2 test for the pairwise comparison in the beta diversity. The species 1 comparison for the species 2 0.12903. Then in species 1 the comparison for the species 6 0.055556. Then species 1 comparison for the species 12 0.23333. Then in species 1 comparison for the species 25 the 0.15152. This is a Harrison 2 for the beta diversity in past statistical software. The next one last test for the beta diversity in the past statistical software, the Williams test range for the 0.025. This is a beta diversity, the last test in the Williams. Then pairwise comparison for the Williams test change to the pairwise comparison the Williams. This is pairwise comparison for the Williams. The species 1 the comparison to the species 2 the 0.11429. Then next the species 1 the comparison to the species 6 0.52632. The next species 1 comparison for the species 10 0.16667. Then species 1 comparison for the species 15 0.14286. Then species 1 the comparison for the species 20 0.10811. Then species 1 comparison for the species 20 0.13158. This is test for the beta diversity in the past statistical. But now the how to copy the data in the Excel sheet. Go to the summary. This is data. The copy click the copy button. Go to the Excel sheet. Paste the data. Okay. This is export for the beta diversity data in the Excel sheet. This is a global beta diversities. The Whitaker, Harrison, Caddy, the test are also copied. The next one pairwise comparison for the beta diversity. This the chart, the table copy to the Excel sheet. Click the copy button. Go to the Excel sheet. Okay, change the sheet name. Whitaker Whitaker test. Okay, the paste the data. Okay, this is for the Whitaker test in the beta diversity. The 25 species to compare the 25 species in the beta diversity Whitaker test. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please click the like button. Any doubt, please comments the comment box. I will help you. Thank you for watching again. Thank you.